Good morning. Our topic today is measuring gender-based violence, a case of Zimbabwe on life experiences of adolescents. In this presentation, we will discuss we have the introduction. We'll talk about the household survey, how it is conducted, the implementation of the NBSLEA, the outcomes of NBSLEA, and the conclusion. As a way of introduction, violence against children has gained increased worldwide. Attention is far-reaching and multifaceted social problem. It results in devastating short and long-term consequences on the health, development, and mental well-being of girls. In addition to its effect on the individual child, violence undermines national efforts in public health, social welfare, and human rights and economic development. Therefore, to respond to violence against children in our communities, it is necessary to understand the extent of the problem and its influential factors. We conducted a survey in Zimbabwe. For the household survey, it has been conducted that